What is up, guys? It's Crosscuts.
And today we are going to be doing our first commercial job. We got contacted and they wanted us to come and clean up parts of their parking lot that had a lot of weeds and stuff. So we're going to be doing some weed whacking, some spraying, some shoveling. Overall, it's going to be really satisfying. So we hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So guys, let me tell you just part of what we did and how we did it. So what we first did is we went over with the trimmer and we cleared out all the dirt and stuff that was on the side of those curbs and stuff like that. Then we took the blower, blew it all off, and some of the stuff that you didn't see in this video but we were doing behind the scenes was we were spraying all this stuff down and killing all the weeds so that no weeds and stuff would come back up. So what we really did is cleared it all out most of the way. Our blower actually ran out of battery, so we weren't able to finish all the blowing, and we don't have anything to charge it. So it's a pretty windy day, so we hope the wind will take care of that. So yeah, that was pretty much what we did and what you just saw right here. That's all they wanted us to do for now, and we'll be doing that later. So Let's see ya.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please consider subscribing and hitting the notifications bell, and we'll see you in the next video.